This 2018 Heartland Bighorn 3950FL is a fifth-wheel RV. It is located in Alvin, Texas, 77511 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV South Houston. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This used Heartland is 44 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 6, slide-out, and 65 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this fifth wheel features bath and a half, front entertainment, kitchen island, rear bath. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.